Efficient utilization of resources. Every organization will want to utilize its resources in the most efficient manner. But the question is, how? And the answer is by managing your supply chain efficiently. So in this video, I'll be explaining you about the supply chain management. So let's take an example of a mobile phone. What does it take for this mobile phone to be made from scratch and reach to your hands? Let's take it step by step. First, let us see what components do we need to manufacture this mobile phone. Display screen, battery, system on chips, GPU, display and video processor, RAM, storage, modem, camera, sensors, audio system, etc. Now, you will also be specific with the quality of these components and also the availability of these components, because you need all these components at the same time to get started with the production. And you should also be concerned of getting these components at the best price. You'll also be needing a good name and a logo for your product and get that shipped properly printed at your manufacturing place. Before we get started with the manufacturing, you should also be concerned about these components reaching your manufacturing plant in the most efficient manner, and that is through a reliable transportation. Now let's get going with the manufacturing. How do I utilize my maximum resources in the manufacturing plant? The resources in the manufacturing plant which will be required are power, employees at my manufacturing plant, employees for manufacturing it, employees for supervising them, rent for that particular place. There will be machines to manufacture those mobile phones, and also there will be machines to package those mobile phones and make it ready to be delivered. Once that's done and that's ready for delivery, let's move on towards the delivery of the product and distribution channels. There again you require employees, power, energy, overheads, transportation and storage. From there it heads out towards the retail stores where the actual sale towards the customers happen. You need to take care of the logistics. Suppose you are transporting those mobile phones from one place to another and that is the same country, then you would not have that much big problems. But if suppose there are cross-border transactions, you are transporting that particular mobile phone to another country, then there are different means and availability of those transports which you need to look out for. Once the products are sold to the customers, you would also require to support and give after sales service to your customers so that they can have flawless experience of the products which you have sold. Now you also need to take care of the staff which is working in accounting, marketing, finance, human resources and information technology. These all resources are to be managed efficiently so that you are able to survive and serve in the market. So here's how this works. So here's the flow of the supply chain. First you buy things, then manufacture it, transport it, market it, sell it, service it, and manage your performance and look for improvement. All these things are to be done with sustainability and at a minimum cost. Now whose job it is? That's the work of a supply chain manager. Now this is how a supply chain works. This is the most basic way I could have explained you about the supply chain management. In my next video, I'll be talking about what are the challenges in the supply chain management right now going on in the market and what are the possible solutions towards it. I'll be talking about it in the upcoming video. So if you found value from this video, make sure that you like this video and share this video with those students who would like to gain knowledge in accounting, finance and business related concepts. Thank you very much for watching and I'll see you in the next video.